If squinting at blindingly white TradingView charts all day has left you seeking relief, you've clicked on the right tutorial. In today's guide, we're going to explore how to activate the dark mode feature on TradingView, breaking it down into easy steps. To switch to dark mode, simply right-click anywhere on the chart, scroll to color theme and choose dark. Voila! Dark mode is now activated. But for those who wish to dive deeper into customization, perhaps seeking an even darker interface, right-click on the chart once more and select Settings. From there, find the Canvas section. You'll notice an option for background. To adjust the background color, click the square color patch. Should you desire the deepest shade of black available, select black. You'll observe that the chart's top appears slightly lighter than the bottom due to the gradient feature. For a uniformly black background, switch the gradient to solid and pick black again. Lastly, for enthusiasts aiming to eliminate even the faint gray grid lines, click to adjust the opacity settings for these lines. After reducing their opacity, close the settings and behold, a completely dark chart. This guide ensures that if the harsh glow of standard TradingView charts has been a strain on your eyes, thank you all for tuning in today. If you're interested in taking your analysis to the next level, the link in the description will not only give you access to their powerful charting tools, but also provide you with a special $15 discount on any paid subscription.